stonks. Super satisfying. You guys are from the Midwest or get a lot of snow, you know it's tough when you're seeing your baby just covered in salt and ice, but seeing it wash off was awesome. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the S4 at Shaded Days Auto Window Tinting. We're doing a couple cosmetic mods today. I'm super pumped for this. I think we're going with like a Panda look or a Stormtrooper look. I'm not exactly sure the correct terminology with it, but these guys...
I like Panda.
Panda? Okay, we'll go with Panda. But we're gonna do some tints, possibly a roof wrap. We'll just see how the car looks from there, but I'm super excited for these just minor changes to see how the car looks as a whole. We'll be following them with the whole process, going down the window tinting, what's involved, breaking it down. So thanks guys for clicking on this video. Can't wait to see what the car looks like afterwards, and stay tuned for more. Unfortunately, there was a massive ice storm last night, so the S4 is just covered in ice and snow. Jake and his team, they brought the S4 in, they de-iced it, they cleaned it. They're just prepping the car right now for the tints, whatever roof wrap or smoked out tints, whatever we're gonna go with. They cleaned it. They usually use it for all their processes, for all their cars. They do a lot of dealership cars as well, so they're gonna take the car in, clean it, and they're gonna begin to break down the car for their tinting process. So we'll go over and see kind of what Jake's doing right now. Thanks for working on the S4 today.
Yeah, dude, absolutely.
So we're just kind of taking apart the door panels really to get access to the window. Is that how that works?
Yeah, we're just gonna take this bottom seal out, just to ensure that the film goes past the weather strip.
Okay.
We have no chance of it catching or peeling or anything like that.
Okay.
Plus it makes the installation a little bit cleaner, so the overall product itself is better.
Okay.
Doing that too.
Cool.
So.
And then we're gonna go 35% today, if you think?
Yeah,
35%. Awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Okay, cool. So we are doing 35%. We're staying legal, boys. We don't want any police trouble. But 35% is on the car right over there. It looks good. For those of you who already have tints, know that 35% is a good look. So I'm excited. We'll catch Jake more in the process and the breakdown in just a second here. So sweet. So the tint that Shaded Days is using is a ceramic tint. This means that it's got better IR protection, infrared, so it's better resistance against heat, harmful UV rays, so it's going to keep the interior much cooler. And it's going to protect the leather and the nice interior for a much longer period of time without having all that harmful heat and rays coming in there. So the ceramic tint is going to be an awesome addition. So if you guys are looking to get the same deal, same hookup for ceramic tint, definitely go to Shaded Days. These guys are doing a killer job right now. I can't wait to see what the car looks like with the tints on it. But I'm super happy knowing that we're having the ceramic tint being done and having the interior protected for longer, because I do like the interior, like the way it looks, and having that extra layer of protection is huge. So. It's genius, really.
I should have invented it.
Yeah. What kind of light is in the pool noodle?
An LED?
Oh.
I think it's like the strip light.
Oh.
So
Super cool.
Nice and easy to...
Yeah. Wow. That looks so cool. So what they did is they put an LED light inside of a pool noodle so they can just lay it across the back seat of your car and it lights it up. It's genius. What is it? Heavy metal mice?
You don't know who these two characters are?
What is it?
Wayne's World?
Oh, I couldn't see it was in the camera. The camera, it wasn't picking up focus. Oh, now I see it, yeah. That's awesome. Sandwiches on the way?
Yeah.
Sandwiches on the way, boys. You already know it's a vlog with sandwiches. It's every time, man. It's not a vlog unless we get sandwiches, so.
What's the best place you've gone to get a sandwich?
Go-to is Jersey Mike's for sure. But.
I've never been to Jersey Mike's yet.
Yeah? Maybe let's hook it up. The double turkey regular big sandwich from Fat Belly. Starving, boys. Car's almost done. It's looking really good. Can't wait to see the final result. We're gonna take a quick little lunch break and we'll get back into it. So it turns out that Jake is actually a fellow VW enthusiast. Has a APR Stage 2 Mark 6 GTI on some sweet wheels, KW suspension, full Eurojet exhaust. It is running the APR Stage 2 tune from our guys over at Axles. Loving the look on the car right now. It is a beautiful Mark 6 GTI, making me wish that I still had mine. My first Volkswagen was a Mark 6 as well, so awesome to see this car in the shop. Alright guys, so the car is finally done with being tinted. It looks amazing. It's pretty crazy how much the appearance of a car just simply changes just by having tints on it. And the ceramic tints that were done by Shaded Days just looks phenomenal. It's really working well with the whole black and white theme, Stormtrooper theme, Panda theme. I don't really know what we're going to call it yet. But if it's Panda, leave a comment. If it's Stormtrooper, leave a comment. We'll figure out what we're going to call it. But this is part 1 of the transformation for the S4. We are coming back next week, and we're going to do the headlights as well as the roof to kind of complete the whole look. But huge shout out to the guys and the team over here at Shaded Days. They did a phenomenal job. I will leave the link for their shop and their Instagram in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Be sure to hit them up for all your tinting needs. But I'm definitely stoked for this S4 and the process and the build so far. So thanks for watching today, guys. Stay tuned for the next video, and we will see you on the next one. Just pulled the car in. Do I begin?